Hello. Today I'm introducing my upcoming Magickal membership workshop on making things less real and why. This is actually a very important topic for all those who are actually working on manifesting their reality, their desires, their dreams. The reason is because this very idea that we create our own reality goes hand in hand with the idea that this is all a dream. We are dreaming it and it happens. So naturally, if we make things too real, we no longer have control of that dream. You may notice that different people make different things real. Some people are very good at manifesting those simple things that seem unimportant, like the parking space in the right spot, but as soon as they've got a real problem, it falls apart and they can't do it. Some people, the relationship's real. Some people, the health is real. Some people, the money is real, or the job's real. Everything else they can do, the thing they make real, is one thing they can't change. So it follows then, if you want to master manifesting our reality, manifesting our dreams, we have to learn to make things less real. So in this workshop, we're going to look at why and how we make things real, so we can take control of the process. There'll be some simple meditations for making things less real. The result of this is that you can actually create everything you want. You can change anything in your life and manifest anything you want, because now it's easy because it's just a dream. So for all those who really want to master the art of manifestation, this is something you need to get. I'll see you there.